Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best triple square drive that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best triple square drive. Perfect fit, nice finish, rock strong. I had bought a budget priced socket as I figured I'd only use this once or twice in a lifetime for my daughter's Honda Accord axles nuts. The other socket was supposed to be 36mm, but after putting it on the axles the slop was huge. I measured it at 36.9 plus not something you want to use to break 250 to 300 of static immediately. Number 5. J&R Quality Tools XCN Triple Square Spline. Fits made of premium S2 alloy steel for superior hardness that reduce wearouts and ensure longevity. High strength provides superior torque for greater turning power, corrosion resistance. Main features: durability, torque strength, organized storage. Number 4. Soon X533MD 1-inch drive socket. Reduces wear and increases torque on fasteners by placing force on fastener walls rather than fastener corners. Laser etched and roll stamped markings to ensure a permanent socket identification. Main features: CRMO steel, dual size markings, lifetime warranty. Number 3. Tack Life 16 pieces 3/8 inch drive deep impact socket set. Made of CRV, sturdy and durable, each socket is made of corrosion resistant black phosphate coating, with oil and rust proof function. Light and labor saving. Main features: professional quality, advanced storage box, Tack Life services. Number 2. Lex7 XCN Triple Square Spline Bit Socket Set. Drop forged, heat treated S2 alloy steel bits, reduce wearouts. Hardened treated chrome vanadium steel sockets, increase turning power. Insert smoothly with precision chamfered bit ends. Main features: durable, comfortable, lifetime warranty. Number 1. Tack Life Drive Impact Socket Set. Long-lasting laser-etched size marks in each socket make it possible for quick and easy size selection even in the dim light. Forged with heat-treated chrome vanadium steel in each socket. Main features: 100% quality assurance. Laser-etched size. Tack Life services. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.